Yeah, finally, I'm going to talk about punctuation symbols and stuff using Japanese sentences. So the first one, full stop, a period. This is Japanese period, little circle, and this is Japanese version of comma basically. And used to give the sentence a pause or separate listed items like this. Mm. Actually, unlike in English, there's no strict rule for the use. It's just basically it's used to make the sentence easier to read, and that's basically nothing more to it. And there's this thing interpunct, this little dot in the middle. This is also used separate listed items, and also separate used to separate following words names or used to show where the word is originally supposed to be separated. So this is so listing things, elementary, junior high school. Sometimes you use the slashes in English to list things. So maybe that's similar in a way, similar to that. This is originally a personal computer. And so to show where it's originally separated, the space, we use this dot. All right, so next on to wave dash, this wavy thing. This expresses certain range, duration of something, time range on stuff. So this means 5 to 9 p.m. So this corresponds to the hyphen in English. And onto single quotation marks. These are used to quote statements and used to emphasize a quoted word. You might think, oh, that's close to the English double quotation marks, but the difference is they usually do not have sarcastic implication some like those in English tend to have. Sarcastic emphasis can be expressed using what's called a boten. Um, Let's see the example. This is using the quotation marks, and this part means reliable. So simply the quotation is emphasizing it's very reliable. And where on the other hand, if you use these things, boten, uh, and have a dot above the character, it's gonna be have a little bit sarcastic implication, like a quote unquote reliable service, like with a little bit of question nuance. But the thing is, these letters are not really supported in most browsers input systems. So instead, we are now using more of these double quotation marks. Yeah. And Japanese double quotation marks is like this, and this a quote used to quote a statement inside another statement, and also used to show a title, book, movie, painting, etc., etc. Like this. So this is so quote inside a quote. Hmm. This is how these marks are used, and additionally, so these are traditionally used Japanese punctuation marks, but also so question marks, exclamation marks is these following things are also used a lot in real life. Hmm. So I think I've covered most of the major stuff in Japanese punctuation. So that is